Okay, Daniel wants to buy a new bicycle. It's priced at £480. So, Daniel can either pay the £480 immediately, okay, so he just pays for the whole thing up front, or it says he can pay a deposit of 15%, followed by 24 monthly payments of £22. Calculate the total amount Daniel would pay using the deposit and monthly payments method. Okay, so if he goes for the second method, it's likely to cost more, right, than £480, because he's sort of staggering his payments and he's got more time to pay it, so it'll cost more. All right, so let's work out this 15% deposit first of all. Okay, let's just focus on that, the 15% deposit. Now, if I want to work out 15% of 480, of course the first step I go for is 10%. Okay, so 10%. Well, we need to divide that by 10, okay, and we get 48 pounds, okay, because you know, £480 is what it costs, so 15% is what we need, and let's go for 10% to start with. 10% is 48. To get then the remaining amount, I need 5%. It's quite easy to get 5%, isn't it? Because 5% is half of 10%, so half of 48 is 24. To get the total then, we'll add them together. Okay, add them together here. So 8 and 4 is 12, so 2 carry 1. 4 and 2 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. So 15% is £72. Okay, so the deposit is equal to £72. Followed by 24 monthly payments of £22. So for the monthly payments, we've got 24 of them. So 24 lots of £22. So we need to do that multiplication. Now, when you're doing that multiplication, maybe we'll use the box method. Okay, that kind of works quite well. All right, with what we're trying to do here. So 24, we can sort of break up, right? And we can partition it, break it up in terms of its tens and units. So 20 and 4, and the same then with 22. We have 20 and 2. Okay, so then if we perform then each multiplication in these cells, then there is a way then of performing this multiplication. So we've got 20 times 20 in this box here, yeah? 20 times 20, well, 2 times 2 is 4, and we add the 2 zeros on, so that's 400. This box here, we've got 20 here and 4 there, so 2 times 4 is 8, and add a 0 on. This box down here, we've got 2 and 20, times them we get 40, and in the last box, 2 and 4 multiplied to give 8. So I just need to add these. Okay, so if we line them up, and we put them in order, so largest number first, and we'll see what we get here. So adding them up, well, the units there come to 8, tens comes to 12, so 2 carry 1, and then 4 then, plus that 1 is 5. Okay, so £528 is the monthly payment. The total cost then, okay, the total cost will be determined by adding these two together. So 528 and 72, I think that comes quite nicely to 600, I believe. Let's just check. 8 and 2 is 10, so 0 carry 1. 2 and 7 is 9, plus the 1 is 10, so 0 carry 1. Yeah, 600. So total cost is equal to £600. Okay, so then part B, it says, find the percentage increase in the cost of the bicycle when David pays using the deposit and monthly payment method. So if you think that the bike actually cost £480, but he paid a total of £600. Okay, so he paid more than what it actually cost. So we need to first of all focus on that difference. Okay, what is the difference in what he paid compared to the cost? The difference would be them taken away. So 600 take away 480, which is £120. So he's actually paid £120 more. So to work out then the percentage increase, okay, percentage increase, we focus on the difference, okay, we focus on the difference that he paid, Okay, divide that by the original amount, and of course to change it to a percentage we times by 100, okay, 100%. So difference is £120, the original is 480 times by 100. So difference here divided by the original, well the zeros will cancel and you've got 12 divided by 4, okay, and that will actually cancel down nicely, okay, to a quarter, because if you think about it, 12 goes into 12 once and 12 goes into 48 4 times, so a quarter times 100%, which is 25%. So he paid 25% more, okay, because of this approach. So that was the percentage increase.